Alright, so we are looking at how we can create additional pages and navigate from one page to another page, which is called the local linking. Okay. Alright, so now let's begin with a comment. So local linking. So let's create the links first. Okay. We can choose to create the pages or the links. So let's begin with the links. So now we want about. So we add a file extension, HTML. Then we call it what? We call it about us. Okay, no, now let's create additional page which is called contact.html. Then we call it what? We call it contact page. Okay. Now let's create the page that we are in right now, which is the index.html. That is the page that we are in. You can see it's here, index.html. Okay, then we call it what? Home. Before anything, let's save it and see how it ends in the browser. Open it. Okay, that is what has been aligned here. Okay, let's use the break, the line break to separate them. Save, refresh, and you can see now we have linked the pages. Meanwhile, the pages is nowhere to be found here. We don't have those pages in our project. So let's go ahead and create the pages. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, let's save both the pages, then let's open it in a browser and see something. Okay, now that we have it here. Okay, now let's try and navigate to about us page. About us. Okay, so you can see that it is welcoming us. Welcome to about us page. Okay, so even though we're able to navigate to about us page here, but we don't have any link here that can redirect us to home page or contact page. Okay, so we have to go and do that. But before we do that, let's go ahead and create our contact page too. Okay, this contact page. So it's the same proceeding. So let's do Command N to get a new tab here or a new file. Then let's save it. Okay, we come to save, then we call it what? Let's call it contact.html. Please, the spelling must be correct. Okay, other than that, you will not get your code running. Now we are saving it into our project folder. So now we call our basic template, then we give it a title of what? Contact page. Now let's also give it an h1 that says what? That is welcoming us into our contact page. Okay, so the same proceeding, we don't have to do a lot of typing. Let's copy. To our contact page, then we paste. All right. Now back to our save. Make sure you save all the pages. Okay. Make sure you save all the pages. Then let's go back. Then let's refresh. Okay, now let's hit the contact page and see something. We see that we have been able to navigate to the contact page. Okay, that's welcoming us to the contact page. Okay, but then also we don't have any link here to redirect us. Let's come back and do something. All what we have to do is to copy these links here. You copy, come to about us page and paste. Then you do the same to the contact page. Now save all the pages. Head back and refresh. Now let's try the about us. Now we can see that we have the navigations here. So we are in about us. So we can go to contact page, welcome to contact page, and we can also go to the home page. Okay, but more professionally, when you are in a contact page, you don't still want to see contact page because you're already in contact page, so you don't want to see contact us in the contact page. So for instance, when I am in contact page, This is index, which is the home page. I don't want to see, okay, for the home page, maybe I can leave it. Or better still, let's say I don't want to see when I am in about us page. I don't want to see about us. When I am in a contact page, I don't want to see contact. Sorry, here is a mistake. I don't want to see home. Now save or refresh. So you can see when I am in home page, I don't have home page again here because I'm already in home page. So when I come to about us page, I don't have about us here because I'm already in about us page. And likewise in the contact page, I don't see contact here. All right, that is basically that. And thank you so much for your time. Let's meet in the next tutorial and learn more.